Hi, folks. Good evening. It's been very late, however, I have, as I share with you all, that I'll be sharing with you, a few very crucial questions that is bound to be asked to you during an interview. So let's move ahead. Let's start with the first question. The first question, it's a really it tests you, and the question is, why should we hire you? Just just imagine a hypothetical situation, and which is in fact a reality in our country, that if there are suppose four vacancies in an organization for a particular role, there are 400 candidates out there for the same role. So what sets you apart from the rest of the crowd? Why should the interviewer gonna hire you? So this is and this question is really important, that you should answer these questions in a very precise and clear and succinct way. So first of all, you should my these are my suggestions, which may help you to answer this question. First of all, you should specify your 2 to 3 qualifications which are which are suited with the particular profile for which you have applied. Okay, if you are an experienced professional, then you should showcase and share your accomplishment and the experience, that will and the experience that you can bring to table, and that will add value to the organization, and it will that will going to completely align with the particular job role. Okay, and one more most important thing, that you should know about the organization before going for an interview. Do the thorough research about the organization, what in which business the organization is involved into, what is the mission of the organization, what is the vision of the organization, and what are the cultural work culture ethics of the organization. So you should understand these things and relate to you should relate to these things. So, and if you are a fresher, then you should always show the learning curve to learn. Okay, you should if you're a graduate or postgraduate, and you are going for a job interview without having the professional experience, then you should say that I have the theoretical knowledge, and I'm eager, I'm very curious to learn the practical things which are actually being done in the industry. So this really connects with the interviewer, and it shows that you are eager to learn. You have that desire and the curiosity to learn. So this will be this is for the, and tell them that you will going to put all your efforts in order to learn as quickly and as fast as you can. So now the last thing, which is really very important: do not sound like a liar, that you are lying, because the interviewer who is taking your interview is not any you can a rookie, or a mature amateur. He is a professional. So they identify who is lying and who is authentic. So always sound authentic, and this is really important. Okay, so coming to the second question: why do you want to work with us? Why do you want to join our organization?